Data transformations work like a software project, with version control, automatic tasks, and safe deployments. That's what modern data teams are doing with dbt, also known as data build tool. As data platform grows, teams often face the same problems: different SQL logics in different dashboards, repeated queries, and pipelines that break without a clear reason. dbt solved this by bringing simple software practice into data workflows. Okay, but what are the key solutions of dbt? By combining simple SQL models, automatic tasks, clear data connections, and shared metrics, dbt helps teams build reliable and scalable data pipelines. If you're looking to improve your data transformation process, keep in touch with our team and start building more reliable analytics together with us. Bye bye.